Hi, my name is Andrea Robbins. I'm Twitch Eatney, born for Kia Ani, and nas Ejitkabaha and Nat Otinet Kachi. And today we're going to learn how to make fry bread.
So this is how you make fry bread. What is the first rule?
Wash your hands.
And we see you got a bluebird flour there.
Flour.
Okay.
You use the whole thing.
Use the whole thing. Wow, quite a bit.
Okay. Clabber Girl baking powder is the best. And I usually don't use a measuring cup. That's perfect.
Wow. Go by feel, huh? Like all chefs. And the next thing is salt.
Mix it.
Okay, so you mix it by hand. All the dry ingredients together.
Think positive thoughts. No bad stuff. No cussing. No negative things. And use really warm water. And you just...
And about how many cups was that?
I never use a measuring cup.
Okay.
Nice big cup. Squish it, squeeze it through your fingers. Turning the bowl slowly. Squeezing it like a fist through your fingers. And add a little bit more flour from the edges. Squeeze it through your fingers, kneading it.
I actually knead it in.
Outer to inner, outer to inner. As you turn the bowl.
It's like me, and me, and me, and me. So what are you waiting for?
Shake it. You can still feel that the dough is very warm. My arms, hands getting a little tired, so take as much dough off as possible, and then start grabbing it from out to pushing it in, out, in. You don't want to knead it too hard, or else it'll come out like a cookie. I think this is perfect enough. Serious side effects may include pancreatitis. Tell your provider about vision problems. Just grab it. Taking Ozempic with the sulfonylurea or insulin may increase low blood sugar risk. Side effects like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea may lead to dehydration, which may worsen.
Wow, and just like that.
Get a clean bowl. Transfer the dough into a bowl without flour, and then cover it for 20 minutes. Foil.
So you're gonna make another batch?
Yeah, there's a lot of flour.
Okay.
Why didn't you stay in Proof?
Since it's already pre-mixed, all you add is water.
You don't want to know it. You don't want to know his hat's turned around backwards.
Keep it in the middle.
How you gonna live?
Aunt Lily doesn't have any flour left by the time she's done with her dough.
And she's one of the best fried bread makers as well. Okay, the 20 minutes is up, and you can see how the dough has risen.
Okay.
Blessing our family. I am now
Dip it in flour.
a paying customer.
Tuck it in.
When you called me and told me that it
This.
was the very first night for you.
And then you just grab all the ends. Tuck it in. Dip it in flour.
Is drug-free and is non-habit forming. Relaxing sleep worked from the very first night I took it.
As a nurse, sleep is very important. Relaxing sleep really helps me stay focused.
And then here's the pan that's getting nice and hot here. Got plenty of oil in there.
Test it by putting it in the flour.
Take it from Larry Gavin. If you're having trouble sleeping, quit having trouble. Sleep, relaxing sleep, all right now.
Sastanigaj.
Sastanigaj.
That is the Navajo term for fried bread. And that means like the bread that you slap back and forth. That's what we call it, Satanigaj. Here's another ingredient we add to our fried bread to give it the golden color. Crisco. What is recommended? Let it burn evenly. And you're only supposed to flip it once. And wait till the sides are golden brown. Look at that.
I'll pay you right now. It might be worthless. What do you say, kid?
Well, Lisa, I tell you, whatever's in that box, whether it's worthless or not, Bob wanted me to have it, and that's what it's going to be.
$1,000 doesn't come by every day, kitty.
So fry bread is also known as incarceration bread. Because when we're incarcerated, that's when the government gave us the ingredients. When they first introduced it to us, they gave us the ingredients, but they didn't show us how to make it. And a lot of times, Navajos, they didn't know what it was. And what they did was, they just ate the flour by itself. And a lot of times, a lot of the people get all bloated and then they would die off that way as well. It wasn't until the government showed us how to make the fried bread, that's when it really caught on. And that's why we call it incarceration bread. Pretty soon, we'll have some bomb-ass fried bread. this Navajo doesn't burn this bread. Look at that. Perfect. Yum yum. So the next step is clean up. Turn this off and let it cool down. Alright folks, and there you have it. That's how you make fried bread. Wow, the world just lit up. Delicious.
So enjoy your fry bread.
Fry bread power!
Yeah, that too.
So well.
Subscribe to Please Free Academy and also Red Feather Freedom. Thanks for watching.